Laura, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. Today I'm going to be doing a really easy everyday makeup tutorial. I'm going to be recreating this hair and makeup that I posted on my Instagram the other day. It's just a really easy everyday makeup look and I added some freckles. I will be styling my hair at the end of the video. As you could see in the picture, I did have wavy hair. So last night I plaited my hair. This is exactly what I done last week. Plaited my hair last night and I'm just going to take these out at the end and just quickly style it. So if you would like to see this makeup tutorial, then just keep watching. hairstyle. I hope you like it. I feel like this is like a really cute makeup look. I probably wouldn't wear this every day. I do not go through this much effort every day to do my makeup and hair. But on the days when I'm feeling a little bit, you know, when I'm feeling like I want to make a little bit extra effort, I basically have just been going for this. So I hope you like it. If there is any other video recommendations that you would like me to create or try and create, then comment them down below. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more videos from me. Thanks for watching.